What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Iowa, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some Italian meatballs. They're going to be just magnificent, baby. But we got to get started to get them done. So let's start now. That's right, baby. Some Italian meatballs. Now, we've got our Italian sausage, a pound of Italian sausage, and a pound of ground beef. We're going to mix those together, and we're going to put in some green onions and a little bit of garlic and just make a beautiful, beautiful meatball. You know, I was talking to my brother on the phone last week, and he was making these, and I just got to craving them, boy, so I figured, I'll make them for myself, and I'll show you how to make them too. Real simple here. Not a whole lot going on. So, we go ahead and add our Italian sausage here. Like I said, we got a pound of that. And then we'll go ahead and add our ground beef in there too. Now, once we got both of those in there, then we're going to go ahead and take our green onions and just grab a big old handful and pull them right in there, I'm not going to use all of this green onion because I don't want a whole lot in there, but I do want some just for texture, just for flavor. Now, next thing that we'll do is get some of this minced garlic. Now, when I was talking to my brother, he said this right here is the key. That man loves his garlic, so he knows what he's talking about, baby. So we'll just put just a half a tablespoon, just a little, not a half a tablespoon, just a tiny little bit in there to start with, because with garlic, a little goes a long way, baby. Stanky. Keep the vampires at bay type of shit. You know what I'm talking about? So, we got everything in there. We're going to add just a dash of salt and pepper, and then we're going to start mixing it up. Now, when you mix this up, you want to make sure that it's mixed good and evenly. Make sure everything's blended in there together. And once we get everything mixed up and looking right, we'll be ready to roll these up into balls, and we'll be ready to start our night. So, I'll meet you right back here after we get this mixed up, and we'll get to rolling, baby. Alright, we got everything mixed up, and now we're ready to roll, baby. So, just take a little bit of this out, and at this point, you gotta ask yourself one question. How big do you want your balls? Me? I'm a modest man, so I'm gonna keep my balls small. But you can do whatever you want with your balls. It's your balls. Do what you do, baby. So, like I said, I'm gonna keep these kind of small. That'll help them cook more evenly in the skillet, like I'm gonna do tonight. About this size here, that's what you're looking for. So, we're gonna get these rolled up here, and once we get them all rolled up and looking good, then we can go ahead and put them in the skillet, and we'll get ready to cook. So, let me roll these up, wash my hands, and I'll be right back with you, baby. Well, we got our meatballs rolled up and ready to go. So now, buddy boy, it's time to drop your balls. Yeah, so we're going to take them in here, we're going to put them in this skillet, and you want to line them out, give them a little bit of space to cook, a little space to flip, you know what I'm talking about. Now, these are going to go for about, I would say, probably 15 minutes. Got them on high heat now, but you kind of want to watch your heat. You don't really want to burn the bottom, so you go anywhere from high to about medium high, somewhere in there. Just let them cook, and every once in a while, like I said, go ahead and flip them over. Make sure you keep checking them. And just about the time that they're done, we'll go ahead and add some sauce, baby. The marinara sauce. And I went ahead and boiled some spaghetti, and I've got that on the side too. So we're going to have spaghetti and meatballs tonight on top of spaghetti, baby. Yes. So, after that's done, we'll be ready for that first bite, and I'll meet you there. Alright, baby, the time has come. The spaghetti and Italian meatballs are done, and I'm having that first bite for me. Oh, damn. That's a spicy meatball, baby. Just magnificent. Well, I want to thank y'all for joining me on this episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. And you can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Y'all have a good one, and I'll see you next time.